you get back the car, or it may call you for music
No,
reviews.
no, I'm gonna get it back.
All right, so I want to provide you with a platform to to tell them, if anybody have information who they should contact or contact the police, just for you to make a plea.
Okay.
Here, okay. So for the record, Future Fambo, we understand that your motor vehicle was stolen. When did this
Yeah.
happen, and where did it happen, and what do you want to say to the public?
Well, you know, my motor vehicle was stolen Sunday morning about like 6 o'clock. About like 6 o'clock at Hagley Park Road, 20 Kingston Drive. And I've reported to the police force and also go by my insurance and all that stuff. I've not got any feedback on it as yet, but we're still looking out and we're still searching. And at this moment I'm talking to you, I'm going to the station to sort out some more stuff. And I just want people to know that they got to just look out for people and just look out for anybody that is very spooky or that you just feel suspicious and you just follow your gut feeling because it's like I don't know how like because the road that I live on is a dead end road, so I don't know how come somebody just come and just start my car and just drive it off like a regular. It's not like any glass was mashed and all of that stuff. And as you know that they target certain people and they target certain car because it was a Nissan Latino and those cars are like fairly new right now on the market. So probably they cannot get parts for it. So other auto parts place that has the car and people want parts, so they will steal that car to break down that car to sell parts and all that stuff. Just crazy right now. But I'm just looking out for the best, and I'm hoping that I get some good feedback before the end of this day or tomorrow, or because after a certain time, maybe it might not get it back, or they might ship it to country, or I don't know. It's just crazy right now. It's just crazy right now. So everybody just be on the alert for car thefts, and it's crazy right now in Jamaica. So you know, we just have to stay alert and stay focused.
All right, Fambo. We hope you find it back. We're going to put this information out and just stay positive as usual.
All right, thank you very much and have a great day.
Yeah, man. You too. Cool.
All right, bless.
Need your help. Not yet.